In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk edit prices in Shopify, a skill that can save you time and help you manage your online store more efficiently. We'll walk through each step carefully, ensuring you can follow along with ease, even if you're new to Shopify or haven't done this before. To begin, log into your Shopify account. This is your main control center where you'll be making all the changes. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen and click on Products. This will take you to a page where all your items are listed. Here, you can see the different products you offer and their respective prices. Now, to start editing multiple prices at once, head over to the top right corner of the Products page and click on Export. When you click this, you'll be given a few options. Choose All Products and then select the file format you prefer. You can choose either CSV for Excel, Numbers, or another similar program. The idea here is to export your product list so that you can edit it in bulk efficiently. Once the export process is completed, open the downloaded file. You'll see columns representing each aspect of your products, including one for price. Find the Price column. This is where you'll make your changes. Take your time to make sure you adjust the right figures for the right products. Double-check everything, because this is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your store's data. After you've made all the necessary price changes, save the file. Ensure you save it in the same CSV format so Shopify can recognize it when you re-upload it. Now, return to your Shopify admin panel, and this time instead of exporting, we're going to import the file back. Click on Products again, and then select Import. When prompted, find the file that you just edited and saved, and click to upload it. Shopify will show you a preview of the changes. This step is significant because it gives you a chance to confirm that everything looks correct before finalizing the process. Carefully review the details, checking each updated price once more. If everything appears as it should, go ahead and proceed with the import. And there you have it, you've successfully updated your product prices in bulk. Remember, making bulk changes like this not only saves time but also maintains consistency across your store. It's always wise to regularly back up your data just in case you need to restore original details. Regularly reviewing your prices ensures that you're competitive and maximizing your profit margin efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your e-commerce experience. Happy selling!